Ashby Tutorial for Beginners all-in-one recruiting. So if you're new to Ashby, the all-in-one recruiting platform, here's a beginner-friendly guide to help you get started. So you can access Ashby by going ahead to your preferred browser and just searching for Ashby, of course. You can update your avatar, set notification preferences, and define your meeting hours. So if you need to send emails on behalf of others, request access in your settings. You can go ahead and log in if you have an account, but it's most likely that you haven't yet. So of course, you can go ahead and sign up first. You can put in your business email, your name, your company size, what you're interested in, and your current ATS. You can also optionally put how you heard about them. But anyways, go ahead and press on schedule demo. But eventually you should be able to get the full version if you like. So the first thing you can do is to explore the home page. So view upcoming interviews, active referrals, and pending tabs. Access the candidate pipeline to see candidates across all jobs. Navigate to specific dashboards to manage associated candidates. But for the core features, there is applicant tracking systems. Create and manage job postings with customizable templates. Design structure interviews. Plan to ensure consistent evaluations, and automate activities like sending emails, scheduling interviews, and more. There are a lot of features that comes with Ashby. You can go ahead and check for products, resources, their own customers, their own pricing, and they even have a we're hiring section. So they have a lot of other sections that are included. There's even Reddit and Notion, Duolingo, and more popular sections across the internet. You can access analytics, access real-time dashboards to monitor hiring metrics, build custom reports to gain insights into your recruiting process, track diversity goals, and other key performance indicators. So you can use Ashby's Chrome extension for one-click candidate sourcing, engage candidates with AI-powered multi-step email sequences, and organize talent pools and track outreach effectiveness. Now, once you get into Ashby, there should be a lot of video tutorials and knowledge-based information specifically about Ashby and how to use this specific app. You can see the startups, for growth, for enterprise, for your existing ATS. You can most likely learn more about what Ashby can do directly into their website. There are reviews, there are videos, and features that show what they can do. So it's most likely better for you to just go ahead to Ashby itself to learn much more about it, especially if you just started. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you in some sort of way, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.